Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my monthly unboxing of the subscription boxes. I am filming in a different setting. It's well messy and crowded behind me right now. I'm aware of this. But I really wanted to get this video up and ready for you guys. So let's do it. I'm going to try and keep it a short one. Sometimes they tend to go quite long. And I am on my phone right now because my trusted G7X is dead. I literally was like, oh, I'm going to do some filming. Dead. Just no. So let's get in with it. I'm going to go in with the BIRCHBOX first. And this is the Disney's The Nutcracker and the Four Realms. Okay. So let's open it up. I do like the box. To be fair, the box is pretty cute. It's pretty good. Ooh, okay. So let's see what we got. I hope like you guys can see me properly and stuff. Oh. Jasmine, those are Mummy's biscuits. Cheeky little monkey. Okay, yeah, we're all good. Okay, so November. Is this what we've got? Okay, I'm seeing Wonder 2, Prime and Behold. Just as you become tired at the end of the day. So sorry guys, I kept getting WhatsApp messages and my phone doesn't have the ability to like carry on filming if I've got a message. It's really weird, but anyways. So just as you become tired by the end of the day, so does your makeup. Keep your products looking as vibrant as when you applied them. Also, it's basically just a primer. Smudge proof base. Is this a full size? It doesn't. Oh, it's big though. So it's an eye primer then. Just says for colour cosmetics. Oh, I'm actually quite into this. I'm feeling like this is going to be actually quite good. This is a good one for BIRCHBOX. Oh, definitely going to be trying this out. And I can definitely do like a makeup Monday. It's got like an iridescent sheen to it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm definitely going to do like a makeup Monday with this. So check that one out. Check you out, BIRCHBOX. Actually impressed. There is a little instruction thing in there. I'm not going to go through. I don't want this video to be really long. So I'm not going to like go through things in mega like... What is it? It says the RRP is $17.95, and I'm pretty sure that that is a full price. A full size, like... I think this is probably a full size as well. That's actually really good for BIRCHBOX. Okay, BIRCHBOX. So the next thing I'm seeing is the Polar Night Cream. So this is not a full size. The RRP full size comes in a jar, and it is £32. This is an alright size for a night cream though. I'm guessing it's for your face. Brighten your skin overnight. It just says clean skin, but I'm guessing it means your face. So that's pretty cool. Okay. I'm actually kind of impressed this time. We're normally not so impressed with BIRCHBOX, but... Oh, so we have a Glam Glow Instant Mud. 60-second pore refining treatment. I'm definitely going to try this out 100%. This, however, is a very, very small... little sample. I imagine you would get like one use out of this. Maybe two. The RRP is £30, but it comes in a much bigger RRP. But BIRCHBOX are not telling me like what the full size would be and things like that, which is a bit naughty. I'm sure like GLOSSYBOX tells you the RRP for the size and then the actual size that you get in. But there you go, that's that one. And then I'm seeing Mana Kadar Cosmetics. Ooh. Diamond Dust. So these ones came in two shades, Pixie or Enchanted. And which one did I get? I got Pixie, and I'm actually really liking the colour. The other one looks like it was a bit of a bluey colour. Well, actually, it's just got like two dots underneath. I don't know if that's like, I don't know. But this is like, I want to open it. Ooh, that was easy. Oh, so it's just like a roller, just... I really like it. I feel like I probably shouldn't put it on my face here, but I'm gonna. Not that the lighting is any good in this room, or that you can see anything, but I'm really excited about this as well. I'm very excited about this, and the RRP of this is £15. And to me, I feel like this looks like it's full size. Why are they not telling us whether they're full size or not? I'm sure they used to do. But never mind. I'm sure that this probably is a full size though. It looks the same as the picture, so... And then the final thing that I've got in here is Space Masks Self-Heating Eye Mask. Interesting. So it's just some eye masks, but they're self-heating. That's an interesting one as well. I feel like this could be a video as well. Especially if I'm sat there going, it's burning my face. Like that, I would watch that. So, right, so that is everything that is in my Birchbox. Have to say, actually, in all honesty, I'm actually quite impressed with that. Compared to like how it normally goes, I'm actually pretty impressed with that one. So let's get into the GLOSSYBOX and see what they're saying this month. Oh, I already remember one of the things from last month. I don't know if you guys remember me getting all excited. I'll go into that one last. So let's do all the other things first. So dry shampoo, where are you? Here we go. So we've got Living Proof. I'll go this way because I can see them. I'm not going to tell you what everything is. Like, I'm not going to read off here. I'm just going to tell you what it is. Basically, it's a dry shampoo. Perfect hair day dry shampoo. I want to see what it smells like, but at the same time, I do feel like once you spray them, they can dry out. And this one, like I've already got one that's open. Should I just do it? Let's just do it. Oh, wow! That was like, more powdery than the one I've got. Do you know what? It smells really blooming nice. It smells really nice, so nice and fresh. I need to actually use dry shampoo more because I really don't like to wash my hair often because it's not good to wash your hair too much. And with my hair being so damaged from all the colouring, which you guys can imagine. But I also don't think the dry shampoo's that great for your hair either. So it's like, but that smells like perfume. Like, I don't mean as in it smells perfumey and not nice. It smells like you would wear that as a perfume. Does that make sense? It smells really nice. So Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. And the RRP is £10. And this is a travel size. So the RRP, I guess, like, doesn't say what size the bigger one would be. But that's an alright size. That's not much smaller than one of the Batista ones. 92ml. Like, that's not a bad size, but yeah, you could travel with it. I'm really sorry if the lighting's like super bad, by the way, you guys. I'm so sorry. There is a reason why I can't film in the other room, and that's because I'll just let you guys know it's set up for Christmas, and I didn't want a Christmas background in this video, so let's just have it at that. Okay, where are we? So, the next thing I'm seeing is some... Oh, this is a deluxe mini. And it is a cocoa butter formula. I've had this before in, like, the tube... Like the big... Not, it's not a tube, is it? What would you call that? Where you squeeze it out, but it's not a tube, though. This is cocoa butter, and it's really thick. So, I'm not a massive... Oh, it was a text. I'm not a massive fan of, like, butters, just things that take a long time to absorb. Does that make sense? I feel like a lot of people feel like that, though. Like, people don't like to feel things, like, sticky on themselves. They want it to soak straight in. I'm not saying that this won't, but I'm pretty sure that it won't. My skin looks really good. I think I have, like, that filter thing on because I'm on my phone. I'm just like, girlfriend, yes. Yeah, this isn't what I look like in a normal lens. Y'all know that already. So, by the way, I haven't, like, done anything. It's just my phone. It's just because it's on, like, my front-facing camera on my phone before anyone gets all, like, she's face-tuned or whatever. Remember when all that was going on? So, this is going to be a long video. I'm so bad at keeping videos short. Cocoa Butter Original Solid Formula. That's so weird. Like, I can't shove my finger in because I've got my nails, but... trying to, like, put this in. I do love the smell. It freaking smells like chocolate. Like, who doesn't want to smell like chocolate? I do really love the formula. It is just a little bit greasy. Like, my hand now feels a little bit greasy. But, I mean, I probably will use it. These are supposed to help, like, scars and stuff, aren't they? Yeah, it smooths marks and tones skin. I don't know if it actually does, though. But that is a deluxe mini size. Yeah, so here we go. The deluxe mini is worth £1.99. And the RRP for 100 gram would be £4.15. So that's cool. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, is this a perfume? Oh, it's this. I love it when they give you spray ones. So we've got a perfume. So it's telling me Chloe Yep, de Parfum. And then it's also saying Chloe Nomad. Oh yeah, that's this. Is it just the one? Is it the same thing? I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look. I want to smell it. Let's have a little whiff. Got to tell you guys what it's like. And oh, yeah, I like that. I like that, guys. That's nice. Yeah, that's cute. Did it have a lid? I can't remember if it had a lid. I'm sure I've had ones that have lids before. I do love these little spray bottles. Okay, cool. So that's that. So at least we get to try out a perfume. It's not going to last long. Like, that is just a really quick sample. That's the kind of thing that you would normally get in a Birchbox. But I'm alright with that. I'm alright with it. Oh, wait a minute. I think there was 2 different samples that you could have got in here. I think that's what it's trying to show me. Oh, this is an extra treat. So this isn't even part of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. So that was actually an extra treat. So that wasn't part of the actual thing. So yeah, better than Birchbox. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It just is. Right, let's see what else is in here first before I get all like... Microderm Regener... Is that this? Ooh. Context. Yeah, Microderm Regenerator. 2-in-1 daily cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Cool. So I don't know if this is... I was just going to say I don't know if this is an expensive brand. I can see how much it costs. It's been a long day, you guys, for real. So this is a deluxe mini, which is 30ml and it's worth £6.50. And the full size of 120ml is £26.70. I actually really like that perfume. I actually really do. All right, let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing that I'm seeing is actually an eyeshadow palette. This is a full size Style London. So the RRP for this is £9.99. Pocket size, cruelty-free palette. Brilliant. We love that. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like. It'd help if I was opening it the right way. Oh my god, did anyone see that? Let's pretend no one saw that. It wouldn't help because I still can't open it. Ooh, I like these. You guys are not going to get the benefit of like anything in this lighting. And like, oh, okay, that's a bit better. There are some nice, this is a very nice, I'd say this is like a rose gold palette. We've got a couple of matte transitions and then the rest are shimmers. For me, I like my shimmers. I'm not one of those people who's like, you can't put a shimmer in the crease. You definitely can. This is nice. Hi. Guys, can ignore that. Ignore that bit there. That's the swatch I just did. What the hell? Let's do like a lighter one. Let's try knots. Shut up. Like, oh my god. Oh, I'm well impressed with this eyeshadow palette. Definitely going to be doing a makeup video using this palette. I might do like a Christmas, try do a Christmas one using this. Girl. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the final thing, which is a thing that I saw in last month and got really excited about. And it is a full-size Huda Beauty lip. A jigger. Can you see this? I literally don't have any Huda Beauty products. Is it Huda or Huda? I never know which one it is. Like, let's just say Huda. Oh, Huda, Huda. 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 And then it kind of sounds like you don't know which one we're saying. No, it doesn't. You just sound like an idiot. Crazy woman. Is this a sneak peek? December sneak peek? I'm not sure what that is, though. But why are they showing me some, like... Anyway, you don't care about that. So, liquid matte lipstick in the shade Girlfriend. Have I already said Girlfriend? I think I have. But yeah, so it's a freaking Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. So excited. So, right. I'll very quickly just talk about the boxes. I still do think that this month's box, the GLOSSYBOX, was better. I do think it had better products in it. But I'm really impressed with the products that were in the Birchbox this month. So I think, like, for this month, you could have gone either way. But obviously, like, the GLOSSYBOX had, like, the Huda Beauty thing in it and an eyeshadow palette. It was pretty bomb. It was pretty bomb. So anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really sorry that it didn't end up being longer than I thought. I was like, try and keep it like 10 minutes, but girl, that's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. I just ramble too much. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I'm sorry about the background. But don't worry, like, this will be the only one, I think, that's going to be like this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which box you think was best. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!